ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ಮಿ ಡಗೌಟ್ IPL 2020ಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಮಿಡ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು. And RCB have won 5 out of the 7 matches that they played so far in this season. Third place on the points table. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ bright smiles on all of our faces. Definitely not something that we expected, but something that we'll take with both hands. And obviously mid-season review nalli we'll be talking about players who have impressed the four of us. Obviously we'll also talk about yav tara nam chances irutte, and also which was the favorite match that we all loved so far in the 7 games of the IPL anta. And along with me today, Aaron, Abhishek MC and Mega. Thanks guys, looking forward to this chat. Let's start with you, Mega. Who's been the favorite batsman for you? Obviously the 3 top scorers for us so far are Kohli, Padikkal and De Villiers in that order. But who has impressed you the most in this season?
It's always Virat and AB are always there, but I think this time Devdutt Padikkal is that one person who actually ended up stealing the show. I think he's a really great talent, and he's been doing really great. So he's one player that all of us are looking forward.
Yeah, absolutely. Very good start for Padikkal. 7 match ಅಲ್ಲಿ 228 ರನ್ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. In first 4 matches, he had 3 half centuries as well. MC, Kohli 7 matches 256, De Villiers 7 matches 243. Any of those two, or are you going with Padikkal, or are you going with someone else altogether?
Yeah, I'll agree with Mega. So it's like we always bank on AB and Virat. ಸೊ ಈ ಸತಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ ಕನ್ನಡದವನು ನಮ್ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗ ಅಂತ ಅದೊಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. ದೇವದತ್ ಪಡಿಕ್ಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ದ ವೇ ಈ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಸೆಂಚುರಿ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಬೂಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು ಟೀಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ದೇವದತ್.
2 votes in favor of Devdutt. Aaron, all pressure on you. Are you going to give anyone else your vote, or are you going a hat trick for Devdutt Padikkal?
I agree with AB and Mega, because Padikkal's definitely impressed more than anybody else in this season. But as a Virat fan, I still have to go with Virat, because the way he started off was something very concerning for most of his fans. First match 14 ರನ್ನು, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ single digit score, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಸೂಪರ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಂದ he came back to form. So after that he's just been unstoppable. So if this continues to happen, then it will be a really good sign for us. Devdutt ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾನೆ, AB is in brilliant form. So ನಡೆಯತ್ತೆ, 3 ಜನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ನಡೆಯತ್ತೆ, ನಂಗೆ ಅದಷ್ಟು ಸಾಕು.
Same nangu. Obviously good to see that we have someone else apart from De Villiers and Kohli, as you guys mentioned, that we can bank on in form of Padikkal. But Nangu, I think I'll incline towards what Aaron said. Obviously great to see Kohli, coming back into form. 18 runs of 29 balls from the first 3 games. It was expected that he will bounce back to form, and in the next 4 games, 236 runs he scored. So I think it's a hallmark of a great player, and Aaron Eldange has looked unstoppable. One more player num team ali who's looked unstoppable is Washington Sundar. In the power play stages, first 7 match ali he didn't get to bowl too much in the power play, neither did he finish his 4 overs quota. But adadmele he's been like completely unstoppable, especially in the power play stages. Super agi, he's bowled and he's taken some very crucial wickets. Shane Watson, Faf du Plessis, Nitish Rana, Ian Morgan. Let's start off with you, Aaron. This time we'll go the other way around. Who's been the most impressive bowler according to you? Any of the spinners, or are you leaning towards the pacers?
I actually have one spinner and one pacer in mind, Prasan. I think Navdeep Saini and Washington Sundar are the 2 names that come to my mind, because just like how RCB's batting was heavily reliant on AB and Kohli, our bowling was very dependent on Yuzvendra Chahal. But now, because Washington Sundar can actually perform the role of a second spinner, Chahal mel kuda ashtond pressure iralla. Obru runs go through, that there is enough confidence that the other spinner can pull it back. Both of them come with contrasting skills. If Chahal's your trademark leggy, then Washington just uses his height and has that straight nippy delivery that gets us wickets. Plus Saini has been very impressive. Whole season early, when he started off, he was always somebody who was like a secondary ancillary bowler that we could look forward to. But now it's more or less like he's spearheading the attack. On the experience side, Umesh Yadav's an experienced bowler. Dale Steyn comes in with so much experience, but Saini bowling at the death is a sight to see. So Saini and Washington Sundar are my favorite bowlers so far this season.
What would be the percentage you're leaning towards Saini? Because you have to pick one.
I have to pick one, then I'll be like, okay, Saini is 70%.
70-30. Okay, interesting. MC, coming to you, Yuzvendra Chahal is our highest wicket taker. Adra Leno surprise illa because he has been a trump card over the years. But now we've seen Chris Morris 2 matches alagla 5 wicket ತೆಗ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, and he's pretty much been a very impact player ನಮ್ಮ side ಅಲ್ಲಿ. He's rubbed off his confidence on the other bowlers. So Nevo, if you are to pick one bowler who has impressed you the most seasonally until the halfway stage, who would that be?
No doubt it's Washington Sundar for me. There's a reason behind it, because nowadays ಈ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿ bowling in general. Any team, they don't get to bowl the complete quota of 4 overs, and he is a spinner who bowls in the power play, and he has given just 3 boundaries in power plays, which is a great record to have. And not only that, he contains runs, adu matra alla, he picks wickets also, so which is very important. We always lack that in power plays over the years. So our reason I'll be picking Washington Sundar.
Nice. I think that's a good reason to have that. He's had an impact up front, and of course, impact na the other bowlers have made most use of it. Batsmen have had to take on the others, and that's worked well for us. Mega, one pacer, one spinner. Which among Abhishek and Aaron have influenced you to pick either a pacer or a spinner?
I think I would go with Washington Sundar again.
Okay.
So one thing is he's been really great in the power play, and he's giving us breaks, and they're much needed breaks actually. And getting wickets in the power play is the key when when someone comes out to bowl there. And then one more thing is, I think the previous seasons, I don't think so Washington Sundar actually got this chance, and now this season we're actually utilizing him in a very good way. And I think that is, and he's been consistent also. It's not that okay, one match it's like on and off. No, he's been doing really great. So let's see. And one more, apart from Washington Sundar, yeah, Saini and Chahal is always there. But I think Udana also. I think Harsha Bhogle, before the season started, he happened to, he was Harsha Bhogle's dark horse. So I think now, in a match when the pitch gets slower and slower, I think the best of Udana is going to come out. So let's wait for him to, perform as well. But then Washington Sundar all the way.
Yeah, last time when we picked the batsman, I was feeling sad for Aaron, so I went in his favor. But this time, I think I'll go with their favor. Washington Sundar for me, too, it's very important that he has given us those breakthroughs up front. CSK mele, KKR mele, we saw, how he really broke the backbone of that batting unit, and he's been a very important part. Of course, batsmen ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೀವಿ, bowlers ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೀವಿ, and both of these units have combined to bring us 5 wins in 7 matches. Third place only we've been there, but among the 7 matches, if you guys were to pick one favorite match so far, which one would that be? Let's start off with you, Megha. Which is your favorite match among the 7 games so far?
I think RCB versus KKR, the previous match which we played, is one of my favorite matches. I mean, it is my favorite match this season for RCB, because I think we were complete. When the way ABD batted, it was like a complete team effort, and then our bowler stepping up, and a feeling. It was up to the mark. So I think it was like a complete team effort. It was not like one person won us the match or anything. Of course, we had a brilliant innings from ABD. That's a different story. But then. I feel it was a complete team effort in case of RCB versus KKR. So I think I'll just pick that.
Yeah, absolutely. Complete team effort for sure. And it was a very, very big win, 82-run margin. Coincidentally, the same margin when we got all out for 49. So anyway, let's get to you, Aaron, now. Your favorite match of the season so far?
I think I like RCB versus Rajasthan Royals, Prasan, because I think it was a very clinical performance that we had, because that sort of we gradually started, first match against Hyderabad, we defended that total, and then unfortunately, next up we actually lost against Punjab, and then we went on to win again. Then there was one more loss. So, but then afterwards, that win against Rajasthan, and now it's like there's a continuous string of wins. So I think I like RCB versus Rajasthan's favorite game so far.
Okay, different choices. One versus KKR, one versus Royals. What about you, MC? Who are you going to pick? Which game are you going to pick, rather?
Yeah, I have a different one as well. It's the first game for me. It's against SRH, because it's been a long time since we won the opening game of the season. So the way we showed our character, it wasn't a big total to defend, and also they required 5 overs 43, and we defended that. So that showed a lot of character. That gave us the hope that even if we are in tough situations, we can come back. So our first match ಗೆಲ್ಲೋದು ಆ momentum ಬರುತ್ತೆ, and you start off well. So for me, it's the SRH game.
Right, absolutely. One KKR, one Rajasthan, one SRH. I think I'm tempted
I would
to go
like
for
to
something.
add one.
Yeah.
I think,
go on.
yeah, now that you mentioned about the 82, like against KKR, the previous match, we won by 82 runs. Actually, if you remember the first season where, RCB, the first match against RCB versus KKR, RCB, that time it was, we had Bas
Oh,
then and now he's the coach. And now Stain is in the dugout. Even this match. And then Virat was there then and now. And even we ended up scoring 82. We lost the match, but 82, I think it has like many memories with that number. So yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. I think this season has been a very good, change in our fortunes, and of course we've had a lot to celebrate. And I think our celebrations were probably the biggest for me when we won that super over against the Mumbai Indians. Navdeep Saini nailed those Yorkers, 7 runs against Kieron Pollard and Hardik Pandya. I think that just was a very good momentum for us, and Virat Kohli scoring that 4. Who thought his first boundary in a super over off the last ball against Jasprit Bumrah, that really was a fantastic match for me. And I was lucky to have my nails intact after that game, honestly. But of course, I mean, we've had some fantastic wins. We have momentum on our side, 5 wins from 7 matches. But yeah, good to see that the different choices. Batsman Ali, we had 2 Devdutt Padikkal and 2 Virat Kohli. Bowlers Ali, we had 1 Navdeep Saini, 3 Washington Sundar, and matches Ali, we had 4 completely different games, and that's lovely to see. But thank you so much, guys. This was our mid-season review, Fan Army Dugout IPL 2022. So stay tuned to the Fan Army Dugout IPL 2020. We'll have lots of interesting content as the matches progress. Playing 11s discussions ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, and a lot of chat around how the team composition could be as we move towards the business age as well. But this episode, that's all from us, Aaron, Megha, Abhishek, and myself, Prasen. Thank you so much for tuning in, and see you next time.
Cheers. Bye.